Good evening, everyone. What a difference a day can make. We were enjoying some of those mild conditions yesterday, but compared to this time, we're down about 20 degrees in most locations. Terre Haute's 21 degrees cooler. Danville's down 20 degrees. We're down 18 here in Charleston, and down 15 degrees in Effingham. Those temperatures are in the 20s across the area, and that's where they have been throughout much of the day. We're only at 20 in Danville, 24 in Paris, and in Charleston. 25 over in Taylorville, but those winds remain breezy out there, not quite as strong as they were on Tuesday, but still gusty, 20 miles an hour right now in Charleston, 15 in Terre Haute, 10-mile-an-hour breeze from the northwest in Robinson, and that's making those temperatures feel even colder out there. We currently have those wind chills in the single digits up in Champaign, feeling like 9 there, feeling like 10 in Charleston and Decatur, feeling like 15 right now in Paris. As we look at SkyTrack, we are seeing those clear skies across the area. So we did have some sunshine today, but those clear skies are going to allow those temperatures to continue to fall into the overnight hours. So overnight low is going to be falling down into the teens, 15 degrees here in Charleston. Under those mostly clear skies, but with those winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour, continuing through the overnight hours, it will make those wind chills feel like they are in the single digits. So definitely you'll want to bundle up as you head out the door tomorrow. You can see those wind chills are going to be falling down into the single digits in several locations as you head out tomorrow. So the coats, hats, and gloves going to be needed once again tomorrow, but we will have some sunshine for your Thursday. We can take a look at that with Futurecast, and you'll see it does want to throw in some cloud cover into the morning hours, but I'm expecting us to have those mostly sunny skies throughout the day on Thursday, especially as we get into the afternoon hours. However, that sunshine isn't going to be helping with our temperatures. We're going to stay cold once again tomorrow, with highs struggling to make it up near 30 degrees by 3 p.m. And we will see those skies remain clear into Thursday night. However, more clouds do arrive into Friday. And we're going to stay dry on Friday, but notice that increase in cloud cover. So if you do have any plans on Friday, those look to be okay. But as we get into the evening hours, that's when we're going to start to notice that system is drawing all that attention on social media start to move into the area, especially as we go into the overnight hours Friday into Saturday. That's when we're expecting that snow to arrive into the area right around midnight. That's going to continue to overspread the area into Saturday morning. And that's when we're expecting those snowfall amounts to be heaviest. And we're going to see those snow showers linger with us throughout much of the day on Saturday. So travel going to be impacted on Saturday. Accumulations are still too far out to know, as the models are still pretty inconsistent with those numbers, but the timing we do know late Friday going into Saturday, and it will be a heavy wet snow as temperatures are going to be right around freezing, so that's going to make shoveling that snow even harder. And again, accumulations right now, the highest totals look to be to the south, but again, the track of this system could change, so be sure to stay tuned and join us again tomorrow for the latest with Philip Collins, and I'll be back in on Friday with the latest on this system. As we look at the next 7 days, it is going to remain cold even after that system. 35 for Sunday, although I say cold, and that's pretty seasonal for this time of year. We do start to notice those temperatures warming up as we get into the start of next week, though, with highs back up near 40 on Tuesday and a return of sunshine.
After getting spoiled so much this winter, I gotta say, I'm ready for a big snowstorm.
That's right. It's been so mild lately and muddy, but we're finally getting cold and those snow showers are arriving.
We will take it. Thank you, Everett.